Now this sounds and feels very nice. So what about this? This one looks very nice. So let me show you how I created those. It's actually very simple. So the tool I used is TopMediai.com text to video, and there you can choose from different models. Of course, Google Veo 3 model is the best. I will explain why I used exactly this tool and not directly Google Veo 3, basically because the pricing is cheaper and you can generate more videos. So what I created, and I will give you all the prompts and everything. Just put down in the comment that you like the prompt and I will paste it there, but it's basically very easy to get it. So let me look at the history of what I created here. So the first video that I tried was a simple prompt actually. Nice. So those kind of videos are very popular now online because they're soothing, they're comfortable, they're relaxing, they're ASMR. So let's look at it once again. The knife cutting through the glass. And the sound. So many YouTubers will say those are very complicated prompts, but basically this is the prompt. Close-up slow motion video of sharp knife slicing a translucent glass strawberry in a half on a wooden board. And a couple of more sentences. I didn't write down to be a red color, that's why it's transparent, but it's basically easy. And I asked Perplexity or ChatGPT to give me that prompt. I'll show that later. In this tool, you can easily download this without any watermark, so it's fairly simple. So let me show you the next example. Nice one. So this is basically the same prompt. I just added a red glass strawberry, nothing else. And it created this video in a matter of 20 to 30 seconds. All of the videos in Google Veo 3, as you know, are 8-second lengths. But there are some tricks you can do and I will show that later. Now let me just give you an idea why did I exactly use this tool. It's because of the pricing. So the trial plan starts at $3.99 on the first week and you can already generate several videos. Then all of those pricing are more suitable to the standard creators. And you get also text to video, video effects, unlimited downloads, no watermark. And you get many also other tools here, which I will not mention because I suppose you watch this video to create and generate AI videos with Veo 3. So if I, for example, go to Perplexity and I asked, okay, why should I use not the Google Veo 3 directly from Google, but use TopMediai? And it said, so lowest entry price for Veo 3 videos with sound compared to Google Direct and most other platforms. Commercial licensing, weekly updates, you have many different video effects, which I'll show later, templates, concurrent generation support, flexible video styles, lengths, and so it's pretty interesting to use that and not some other models. Basically, in summary, TopMediai.com is currently one of the most accessible, this is the important part, choices for Veo 3 because Veo 3 generation can be expensive. So let me go back to some of the videos that I created. So you know there are many videos online of cutting the different fruits or vegetables. So I want to be different all the time. And this is the prompt for the following. Now what we have here is a close-up slow motion video of a sharp knife slicing another glass knife cleanly in half of a wooden board. So you know those kind of videos are getting so viral online, and if you could manage to create them and make your channel for Instagram Reels, TikTok or YouTube Shorts popular, you could earn a lot of money. But you know this is always not an easy thing to do, even though these videos are easy to create if you have a good prompt. One more. Looks pretty nice. Once again, just comment if you want the prompt and I will share the prompts with you. Now we have this one that I showed at the introduction. Those are the popular ones of, you know, kind of exploding videos for example, IKEA furniture. So let me show you the prompt. Nice. Especially this blanket going down. So this time I use so-called JSON prompting, because with JSON prompting you can get more details into the video creation. And some people would say, okay, but this is very complicated when you look at this. But basically was all created by Perplexity or ChatGPT for me. I will show you how I ask the Perplexity, and once again I will paste it into the comments if you ask me to do so very easily. One more time. IKEA box. Nice. So this was the prompt. And if I go to Perplexity, I ask, give me the best prompts for video generator of JSON Veo 3 prompt of a box opening IKEA room transformation. You know, just expand your imagination and you will get really nice prompts. And here are box opening with IKEA room assembly. I copied, pasted exact this prompt. You see, here are the different things, assembled elements. You can of course change all of those to get whatever you want. And then negative prompts, then sequence. And for example, at the last sequence, you see a timestamp 006 to 008 because that's the length of the video. And you see the yellow Tron blanket smoothly lands on the assembled bed, as it is in the video I shown. So basically, you can use ChatGPT or Perplexity to create you those prompts. Many other YouTubers are asking to subscribe to their newsletters to give you their special champion prompts. I will not do that because it's easily available online. So then I also ask the following to create this video. Nice. It's pretty good, especially the last part. So let's see it once again. Yeah, so you can make product videos like that easily. Basically, this is a prompt for, you know, I wanted to transform the vinyl to the CD or to the cassette and then to the USB. Then let's look at a couple of more examples, which are also pretty good. I wanted to have a knife cutting the glass steak. I didn't write the prompt for the color of the steak, so it's kind of a glass, and something interesting will happen here. Nice, listen to the sounds. And one important thing that I said here, you see the finger, I said the person should slightly cut off, not cut off, but just touch the finger with the knife so there's blood. So very, very realistic and very good. Yeah. The prompt, once again, JSON prompt that I asked from the Perplexity. So let me just show you a couple of more examples. I wanted to create a couple of different things not shown all the times in the different YouTube videos or TikTok or Instagram. So this time, nice. And you see the details here of the leftovers from the bottle of wine. Once again. Once again, JSON prompt. If you'd like to have that same prompt, just give me a ping on the comments below. Then we also have this. I tried this one. Nice. This time you can see I did not use JSON prompt, but just a pretty simple prompt of a couple of sentences. So ultra realistic slow motion video of sharp knife slicing through a fully turned on iPhone. Then this time I wanted to show the Apple Watch, but kind of so that water flows out of it when the knives cut through it. This one is nice. Yeah, pretty much ASMR, yeah. Pretty good. And then, for example, we have this dragon fruit and nice sounds. You see the sounds? Pretty good. Now, for example, if you would like to create 1 hour long videos of those ASMR and you only have 8 seconds, not a problem. So for example, just import the video of 8 seconds to your, I don't know, CapCut or whatever video editor you use. Let's just change this to the high quality. So here we have 8 seconds video, then just copy that video exactly here, paste it, and then just reverse this video, the second one. So reverse, and then now we have 16 seconds, and this can be turned to the 1 hour easily. So let's look at it now. And now reverse. So this is pretty good for the ASMR videos. Now you can, for example, select both of those and then just paste as much as you want, or create a compound then and paste as much as you want and create 1 hour video easily. For example, now we already have 1 minute and I spent a couple of seconds only to create that. So that's one trick how you can do 1 hour ASMR videos. People really like to watch those. Yeah. So then just one more thing that I wanted to explain here. TopMediai AI is not only a text to video generator. It has many different options, and with regards to the AI video generation, it has many popular video effects. So for example, AI pet to human, and those are really low on how much you spend your credits. So AI pet to human, AI flying, this one is especially good, AI explosion. So just upload the image, for example, of your fruit and you will get that. AI squish, this one is also pretty nice. Then we have, for example, Labubu, very popular among children. You turn into Labubu. Then AI melt, AI Minecraft, so many popular different things. And that is basically the reason why I'm using this tool exactly. You can find all of the links down in the description below. And thank you very much for watching. Once again, just ping me and I will share all of the prompts and everything. Have a great day. Bye bye.